Hi friends, today you will discuss more problems about the CG of the arc. So that is the cardioid R equals to A into 1 plus cos theta lying above the initial line theta equals to 0. So according to the knowledge of compressing, you will draw the cardioid. So R equals to A into 1 plus cos theta. So this is cos theta is lies between generally -1 to +1, 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta, this is 0 to 2. A into 1 plus cos theta will be lies between 0 to 2a. So the cardioid lies between 0 to 2a. Okay, you will draw a rough sketch according to the knowledge of cooperation. This is okay. So this is 0 0 and this is 2a comma 0. Okay, this is cardioid. Okay, and this is the particular point, this is the particular point, and this is the tangent. This is theta equals to 0, this is theta equals to pi by 2, and this is theta equals to pi. Thus you will draw the approximate part. Okay, let x bar and y bar be the CG of the arc, given that r equals to a into 1 plus cos theta. So you will find x bar equals to x into ds upon ds, and what is the y bar? Y into ds upon ds. Just you will find the formula of the rectification. So what is the value of ds? So here r equals to f of theta. So what is the value of ds? This is r square dr by d theta the whole square the square root. So now you will find the value of dr by d theta. So you know that r equals to a into 1 plus cos theta. So what is the value of dr by d theta? Equals to a constant 0, a cos, that is what? Minus a sin theta, cos theta ka minus sin theta. So now you will put the value of r dr by d theta to find the value of ds. So r square, so this is a square 1 plus cos theta का whole square plus dr by d theta का whole square, मतलब minus है sin theta का whole square. This is a square sin square theta into d theta. So this is a plus b का whole square है. So this is a square 1 square cos square theta plus 2 cos theta plus a square sin square theta into d theta का square root. Okay. So ds equals to, this is a square plus a square cos square theta plus 2a square cos theta plus a square sin square theta into d theta. Okay, so this is a square cos square theta, a square sin square theta. This is what? A square sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, or a square plus 2a square cos theta d theta. So a square plus a square, this is what? 2a square plus 2a square cos theta d theta. So this is 2a square will be common. So this is 1 plus cos theta d theta. So this is 2a square. What is the formula of 1 plus cos theta? 2 cos square theta by 2 into d theta. So this is 2 into 2, 4a square cos square theta by 2 into d theta. So this is root, मतलब 4 का root 2, a square का a, root and square to cancel. So this is ds equals to 2a cos theta by 2 into d theta. So now we will find x bar. So x bar equals to x into ds upon ds. Okay. So in case of polar form, what is the value of x? X equals to r cos theta and y equals to r sin. That we will put. So for x bar, first we will solve the value of x ds. So this is x ds equal to x मतलब r cos theta. Okay, and what is the value of ds? ds equals to 2a cos of theta by 2 into d theta. इसका integration. Okay. So now so this is integration of r. So what is the value of r? R equals to a into 1 plus cos theta into cos theta plus into 2a cos of theta by 2 into d theta. So based upon the initial line that is what? Theta equal to 0 to theta equals to pi. So theta equals to 0 to theta equals to pi. Now this is a 1 plus cos theta into cos theta is what? So 2a into a. So this is what? 2a square. So either there is cos theta by 2. So this one will convert in the form of 2 cos square theta by 2 into cos theta into cos of theta by 2 into d theta. So now the value of x into ds equals to pi. So theta equal to 0 to pi, and this is 2 into 2. This is what? 4a square. 4a square cos cube theta by 2 cos theta into d theta. So what is the value of cos theta? The cos theta you will convert in the form of theta by 2. So this is 4a square theta equal to 0 to pi. This is cos cube theta by 2, and this is 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1 into d theta. So this is 4a square. This is 2 cos 3 2 5 theta by 2 minus cos cube theta by 2 into d theta. Integration of 0 to pi. Okay. Now put theta by 2 equals to t. Theta equals to 2t. Put theta by 2 equals to t. Theta equals to 2t. Then what is the value of d theta? D theta equals to 2 into dt. Okay. And d theta equals to 2t. And this one will change the limit. This is theta, this is t, and whenever theta equals to 0, whenever theta equals to 0, t equals to 0, whenever theta equals to pi, t equals to pi by 2. Now this is 4a square integration of 0 to pi by 2 to 2 cos 5t minus cos qt into d theta equal to 2 into dt. 2 into dt. So this is 8a square. This is 8a square. This is 2 into that is what? Cos raised to 5t. This is phi minus 1, phi minus 3 upon 5 3 1 minus 3 minus 1 upon 3 1. So this is the process of the reduction formula that we will put. Okay. So now, so this is 8a square. This is 2 pi minus 1. Pi is 4. This is 2 upon 5 3 minus 2 by 3. Okay. So now, so this is 8a square. 2 4 to the 8 to the 16. So this is 16 by 15 minus 2 by 3. So this is 8a square. LCM is 15. 16 minus 10. So this is 8a square 6 by 15. 3 2 ja 3 5 ja. So this is 16a square upon 5. This is the value of what? Integration of x into ds. Okay. Now upon 5. So that is x bar equals to x into ds upon ds. So x ds, the integration of x ds equal to 16a square upon 5. Now we will find the value of integration of ds. So this is integration of ds. What is the value of ds? This is 2a cos theta by 2 into d theta. Integration of theta equals to 0 to pi. So this is 2a. So what is the integration of cos theta by 2? Sin ka cos, sin ka integration minus cos, cos ka sin. So this is sin theta by 2 upon 1 by 2, 0 to pi. So this is 2a into 2. So this is sin pi by 2 minus 0. So this is a 2 pi, that is 4a. So sin minus this is what? 4a. So what is the value of ds? ds is what? Ds equals to 4a. Okay, so that is x bar. X bar equals to integration of x ds. Integration to x ds upon ds. So this is x ds. That is 16 a square upon 5 upon ds. Matlab 4a. So this is 16 a square upon 5 and 1 upon 4a. 4a. This is 4a. This is cancelled. So what is the value of x bar? X bar equals to 4a upon 5. Okay. So now you will find the value of y bar. Now we will find y bar. Y bar equals to y into ds upon ds. Okay. So first we will find the value of y ds, and ds already were calculated 2a cos theta by 2. So this is integration of y ds. So what is the value of y? X equal to r cos theta, y equals to r sin theta, and r sin theta. Then what is the value of ds? 2a cos theta by 2 integration of this into d theta. So this is y equals to r sin theta. Then what is the value of r? R equals to 1 plus cos theta into sin theta into 2a cos theta by 2 into d theta. So what is the value of 1 plus cos? The 1 plus cos theta. So r equals to a into 1 plus cos theta. R equals to, this is the question. R equals to a into 1 plus cos theta. So this is a, and 1 plus cos theta, 2 cos theta by 2 into this is 2a. This is 2a, and this is sin theta cos theta by 2 into d theta, and theta equals to 0 to pi. So this is 2a, 2a. This is 4a square. Integration of theta equals to 0 to pi by 2. This is cos cube, cos square theta by 2, cos square theta by 2, sin theta. मतलब 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 into d theta, because you will convert in the form theta by 2. So this is 2 into 4, 8. 8a square, theta equals to 0 to pi. Theta equals to 0 to pi. Theta equals to 0 to pi. Cos raised to 4 theta by 2, and this is sin theta by 2 into d theta. So now put theta by 2 equals to t. Theta equals to 2t. D theta equals to 2 into dt. Now we will change the limit. Okay. So this is theta, this is t. Whenever theta equal to 0, t equal to 0. Whenever theta equals to pi, t equals to pi by 2. So now this is d theta. But 2 into dt. So this is 2 8a square. This is t goes to 0 to pi by 2 cos raised to 4t and sin t d theta, 2 into dt. So now you will use the reduction formula. This is okay. So here that is 2 into 2, 16. So this is 16a square. This is 4. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 3. And this is 1. This is 4 plus 1, 5. This is 5, 3, 1. And both are not even, so into 1. So this is 16a square. 4 minus 1, 3, 1 upon 5 into 3. 3 cancel. So this is 16a square by 5. This is the value of what? X into y into ds. Now y bar equals to y into ds upon ds. So what is the value of y into ds? 16a square upon 5, and ds. Then what is the value of ds? Already we find that one. Ds is what? Square by 5 upon ds equals to 4a. So ds equals to 4a. Already you had calculated. So this is 16a square by 5 into 1 upon 4a. Okay. So 4a will cancel. So this is 4a upon 5. Okay. So what is the value of x bar? X bar equal to 4a upon 5. And what is the value of y bar? 4a upon 5. So hence CG of the quadrant is x bar comma y bar. This is 4a by 5 comma 4a by 5. So this is the final answer. Okay.